How to write an impressive LinkedIn About section. First of all, log into your account and go to your profile by clicking on your profile picture or the Me tab, then select View Profile. Next, click on Add Profile section. Then click on Add About to start editing. Begin with a strong opening line that clearly introduces you and your professional expertise. Make it concise, interesting, and relevant to your industry. After that, briefly summarize your key skills, experience, and achievements. Focus on what sets you apart and what value you bring to employers, clients, or connections. Use clear, professional language and avoid jargon that might confuse readers. You can also include your career goal, areas of expertise, or a call to action such as encouraging readers to connect or reach out for collaboration. Incorporating relevant keywords in your summary helps your profile become more discoverable in LinkedIn searches. Finally, review your About section to ensure it's well structured, free of errors, and presents a professional yet approachable tone. A strong About section can make your profile stand out, attract opportunities, and help you build meaningful professional connection. Now you know how to write an impressive LinkedIn About section. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more career tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.